Hello everyone, Paul ZRC here, coming to you from my garage in Texas, and I'm very excited. We have a new project on the bench, the Black Horse Mig-29 Turbine version. So stay tuned. I'm going to do an unboxing and show you what's in the box. So this is the mighty MiG. It is beautiful, ladies and gentlemen. I love it. Look at the cockpit detail. It's gorgeous. It's made out of balsa with some impregnated carbon fiber. Look at this is behind the cockpit. You have nice trays here for batteries that are removable. And let's look inside here. I've already pre-positioned some things. So my 140 Newton Swewin is a perfect fit. I don't have the tube installed. And notice they have all the trays. And my map UAT fits beautifully. You can also put the glass cylindrical ones. And then there's another tray for more equipment. Tanks go in here. This thing is really well engineered. It's basically going to end up having most of the weight, so the tanks, the motor, everything within the width of the wings. So very centrally located for better aerobatics. Again, beautiful design. All right, what also comes in the box, instead of unboxing the box, I'm just going to show you what's in there. You have your fuel tanks. You have a goofy looking pilot that needs to be replaced with something else. And I love these. These are CG forms. So you put this between the wing and the fuselage and hang the aeroplane. And they gave you a whole kit, including the rope, so you can really get the CG nicely. All the screws and the hardware in bags here, very nice. You have to assemble the tanks and the clunks in the tank, so there will be a little bit of work. They even have fuel dots. And here's the landing gear. Landing gear is very good quality. I really like it, but one gripe, it's very non-scale. So if you look at this nose wheel, that looks like it came from a sports jet. MiGs have dual wheel nose wheels. They could have done that. Also the mains, again, very nice hardware, but it's a trailing edge oleo strut. That's not what Mig-29 has. So again, it's just a generic Black Horse set of gears that they probably install in other jets. Very nice. I'll maiden with those, but then she will need to get dolled up with some scale details. Okay, one issue that did happen to me is shipping. So as you can see, the thrust tube, the outer shell of it is very, very thin, and it came in pretty banged up. Everything else survived nicely, the shipping. I ordered my plane from Turbines RC in France, and it was shipped here to the US. And it really came in great shape, except that thrust pipe. I believe you can get this plane now at Motion RC. They wouldn't email me back, so I bought mine in France, not knowing if they would have it. Okay, let's look at wings. This is how they come shipped in a box. And you have, these are the two vertical tails, and this is the right wing. So I haven't even unpacked it. Looks like there's going to be some gluing of hinges and all of this. So this is they call it a 95% ARF. I would call it a 30% ARF. There's going to be a lot of work still to put this airplane together and glue everything together. But it's gorgeous. It's big. And they really did a good job just from the first impression. All right. The next video will be my configurations and what I'm using, what some of the choices I made for putting the plane together.